Hello, today we will guide you through how to run year-end reports in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in and head to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your home base for everything you'll do next. From here, move to the Reports area. You'll find a library of standard and custom reports designed to summarize your financial activity. For year-end review, the key place to begin is the Profit and Loss report, sometimes called the income statement. Go ahead and open Profit and Loss so we can focus on the full year's performance. At the top of the report, locate the report period controls. This is where you'll set the exact time frame you want to analyze. For a calendar year close, set the dates to cover the full year. Choose the From field and enter January 1st of the year you're closing, then choose the To field and enter December 31st of that same year. If your organization operates on a different fiscal year, simply adjust these dates to match your fiscal start and end. Many companies also find the preset options helpful. For example, selecting last year will quickly fill in the correct range for a standard year end. Once your dates are in place, the Profit and Loss view reflects all income, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and other activity within that period. Take a moment to confirm the date range shown at the top so you know you're looking at the correct year. It's also useful to keep in mind that accounting method can change what you see. Cash basis recognizes income and expenses when money moves, while accrual basis recognizes them when they're earned or incurred. If totals don't look as expected, this difference is often the reason. Now scroll down to review the results. Start with total income and total expenses, then look at the bottom line, net income for the year. As you move through the categories, watch for unusual spikes, negative balances where you don't expect them, or accounts that look incomplete. These can be signs of miscategorized transactions or missing entries. If something seems off, revisit your date range first to make sure the entire year is captured. As you finish reviewing, remember that consistent categorization throughout the year makes this report far more insightful at year-end. Clear, accurate profit and loss results help you prepare taxes, assess profitability, and plan for the year ahead. That's it. By accessing reports, opening profit and loss, setting your report period using the From and To fields, and scrolling through to verify the results, you've completed the essential year-end reporting workflow in QuickBooks Online.